Damon, show me.
Tell them how you really feel.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Trijam 89 stream. Today we'll be making a game in 3 hours as per every Trijam, and the theme for this weekend is, I keep spacing on it, remove it. Remove it. I've got a pretty good idea for it, so let's see what we can make in 3 hours. Damon, main screen.
Showing your computer screen.
Alright, so first thing we go on, the only thing I've done so far is I've just set up a like a little bootstrapped game. This is it, just so that we have our development environment all set up. I asked and we are allowed to do that, so no sweat. Yeah, so first thing I want to do is throw in a little bit of CSS just to make sure the game is full screen. Margin 0, padding 0. And then we also want to say canvas will be display block, just to get rid of the white space that surrounds it otherwise. Okay, got that in place. Now, let's take a look. Yep, so good. Next thing we want to do is in the, in the game, we want to change the width and height to window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight. Kind of do the same thing at the start of all of these just to get it rolling. Okay, there we go. So now I got a full screen game. Dope. Good to go. Welcome, viewer. Thanks for joining us today. We're doing a game for the Trijam 89. So now, first thing we want to do, let's see. Usually I plan this out a little bit ahead of time, but I didn't really do that this time, so it'll be kind of flying by the seat of my pants a bit. But anyway, this is just my bootstrap code. Let's see, what do we want to do? I guess the first thing we should do is we should draw some assets. So the theme for this Trijam is remove it, and I had an idea for it. I thought it would be cool to make a game where there's like a bomb in the center of a maze, and you could have multiple mazes for different levels. And the whole idea is you have to drag the bomb out of the maze without touching any of the walls, otherwise it blows up and you get a game over. So let's see what we can do for that. Just wondering what we want the resolution for our sprites to be in this one. Let's do 32 by 32 this time. Give us a little bit more to work with. Alright, so now, first thing I want to draw is a bomb. So I'm going to turn on the mirroring. I guess it kind of should... Oh, you know what? There is a circle tool in this program, isn't there? Yeah, there is. Alright. Whoa, that was nutty. Okay, cool. Boom, circle. And we'll make our bomb just black with a little, oops. That's not what I wanted. Not a line. No. Oh, that's paint bucket, yeah. Cool. So we got our little bomb. Probably should make it... that's fine. You know what? It's good. It's good. 3 hours. Got to... Oh, shit. Damon, 3 hour timer. Damon, 3 hour timer.
3 hour timer has begun.
Okay, there we go. Whew. Okay, my bad. I went a little bit over. I'll cut out a couple minutes at the end just to make that fair. I forgot to start my timer. Okay, so I'm gonna move this down a touch. So it's at the bottom. And then we can draw our little fuse. I guess gray would work. Actually, let's just do it black too. There we go. Maybe like that. Yeah, there we go. Now we got a little fuse for our bomb. And we'll just throw on a little sheen on the bomb. Some Charlie Sheenage. Lol, JK. Not Charlie Sheen, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, cool. We got our bomb. That's all we really need for that. So I'm going to export this bad boy. We want to do output file. Oh, shoot. No idea where I saved that. No. Export sprite sheet. That's Trijam 88. We want 89. Source, assets, and we'll call this bomb.png. Hey, what's up, Happy Potato? Thanks for joining us today. How you doing, brother? And you know what? I just thought of something. I am actually going to add a couple frames here. So we'll go N. Forgot about the Trijam. What's the theme? The theme this week is remove it. Remove it. You're doing good. Good to hear, man. Glad to hear. Okay, I'm just gonna throw in a couple frames here. All right, that sounds more doable in 3 hours. Yeah, so you think remove it over hot potato? I actually thought hot potato sounded kind of easier, in all honesty. Remove it, to me, is more abstract and a little bit trickier to figure out, but all personal preference, I suppose. Okay, get another frame in here. Just so we got a decent little fire animation going. Maybe have it go down one. And then get this up here. Cool, that looks good to me. Yep, I can show you my potato game that I made with the theme of hot potato. Yeah. Show me at the end, Happy Potato. I'll leave us a bit of time at the end so we can see your game. I'll do it on the stream if you want. Overwrite the following files. Yes, please. Okay, so we got our bomb. Next thing I want to do is a wall of some kind. Not a wall, sorry. The wall will come later. I want to do a... oh, how long am I planning on streaming today? Probably a little over 3 hours, maybe 3.5. Get the full game jam in any case. And we'll make the explosion more like 64 by 64. So this is going to be the kaboom. So frame 1 of our kaboom will be like just a little bit. Oh yikes, this is already pretty bad. That's okay. 3 hours. Gotta do it quick. Okay, Alt N. Turn on onion skinning. Cut that. There we go. Big explosion. Dump in a little for that. And let's see. Get some orange on the outside now. That might have been too much of a jump for that animation. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it looks in a sec here. Did you get your game up on itch, Happy Potato? I know you said you were too late to submit it, but did you manage to post it anywhere? Yep, game is on itch. Nice. Sweet, dude. Yeah, that's way too big of a jump. I should calm that down a little bit. But again, I can't be too picky because we only got 3 hours. Let me just do this. Redo this frame. Ah, perfect. Now we know what we have to be between. So your game is on itch. That's awesome, dude. orange on the outside to get it a little closer in. Oh, went over a little bit, but that'll be all right. Oops. Do you think you're gonna have an entry this week? You got all weekend still. And you said it sounded easier, so you sound very confident. Oh, shit. Beep. 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 You'll try to, yeah. Sweet, dude. Well, good luck. What language do you do your games in? Happy Potato? I'm just curious, because like maybe we could team up one weekend or something. That's a bit better. LD. Oh jeez. Have it kind of start getting less spiky. Start getting a little more like clouds. Boom. Looking pretty good by my eyes. Well, it's a program called Construct 3. Don't know if I ever told you. It's event-based, but it's still really powerful. You can also do JavaScript inside it, which I dabble in sometimes. Right on. I saw a bunch of the games last week were Construct 3 and Construct 2 games. I hadn't heard of it until I saw them on the Trijam, but yeah, it sounds interesting. I'm kind of curious to know more. But I am a big fan of Phaser, so I'm probably going to stick with Phaser. But yeah, if we ever did like one together or something, that'd be fun. And I could try out Construct, or you could try out Phaser, whichever. Okay, now we'll have the yellow on the inside shrink out a little. And this will kind of get a little bit more stringy, is that the word? I don't know. Never heard of Phaser. Oh, that's the framework I use, man. It's pretty solid. It's by this guy called Richard Davey, I think. And it's open source, so it's got a bunch of contributors, but it's pretty sweet, man. It's Skookum framework. I like it a lot. It's a JavaScript framework, so it's all canvas based for like uses WebGL and all that. It's pretty sweet. Okay, I might be going a little overboard on this animation here, but whatever. Get what we can. But yeah, Phaser's good, man. I like it. You can do a lot of really cool stuff in it. It's got lots of really awesome features, like different physics engines, and got particle emitters, which we used last week. I don't think we're going to be doing particle emitters this week, but not for this idea. But that's okay. Throw in like 2 more frames here, and then we'll call it quits on this explosion animation. Okay. Just have it kind of fade away. One more. Have it get a little smaller. And mostly erased. Okie dokie. We've almost got our explosion. Excellente. Excellente el dante. Alrighty, let's turn off the onion skinning and check this thing out. Looks okay. It's not world class, but that's okay. It'll do. Alrighty. Let's go export sprite sheet. And it's not going to be bomb, it's going to be kaboom. Kaboom.png, done. Alright. Okay, so we got that. Boot up GIMP here. And we'll get our tiles. Oh, you know what? Actually, I should do this in Sprite. Yeah, what am I doing? Nah, let's do it in Sprite, because then we can use the tiling thing that it's got built in. Make the tiles like, I guess 32 by 32. Not sure if you'd be wanting to, but we could VC on your Discord server. Sorry if this message sent twice. I don't think it went through the first time. No, it's all good. I didn't get it twice. It just only came through that time. Not sure why. Voice chat on the Discord. If you promise to be good and keep it relatively clean, I'm down. Okay, so let's throw that in there. But yeah, I'd be down to do that. We've done that before on this channel. Tiled mode, tiled on both axes. Yeah, I'll be clean. I don't curse. LOL. Says happy potato. Sweet man. Yeah. We'll get it going right now. I am still going to be like talking through what I'm doing in the stream though, so as long as that's not awkward for you, then yeah, I'm good to go. Okay, we're just going to get some bricks drawn in here. Okay, here I'll get into Discord and let's see, I'll make a new one. Strim, create channel. I'll just make it so that user limit 1 user. Oops, save. Alright, man. Oh, wait. It should probably be 2, shouldn't it? Yeah. There we go. Save changes. Alright, dude, I'm on the chat. Okay, we'll get our brickwork done here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Going good. How about you?
Nice. Pretty good. Just drawing some bricks.
Bricks.
Yes, bricks. Oops.
Sorry, I changed all my settings.
Sure.
My voice settings was being stupid.
Oh, yeah. No sweat. So how are you today, dude? Oh.
Doing good. I'm glad it's the weekend so I don't have school.
Yeah, nice. When you say school, is that like university or like high school still, or like?
High school.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm a freshman.
Right on. Cool, dude. There we go. That looks like bricks. Enough bricks for me. Yeah. Right on, dude.
There are indeed bricks.
Indeed. So, go export, and I'll call this one brick. Bricks.png. Boom. Alright, cool.
I've been wanting to get a Sprite, but I don't. Isn't it like $20?
Yeah, something like that. You can get it for free though if you just build it yourself. It's a little bit of a pain, but you can get it for free.
You mean build it yourself?
Like just build the source code yourself. Like they have the repository on GitHub, and you can just get all the dependencies and stuff and compile it yourself. It's a bit of a pain, but they've got a guide on how to do it.
Huh.
Yeah, worth checking out anyway. Okay, I'm just wondering what we should do next here. I guess make a map, probably. So, new tile set based on image. That's last
What exactly is your idea for it?
For the game, for the 89?
Yeah.
It's gonna be the whole idea is like there's a bomb in the center of a maze, and you have to like drag the bomb through the maze and get it out of the maze and ditch it, and that'll be, yeah, remove it, because you're removing the bomb. That's my theory.
A little different from what I thought it would be doing. I thought you'd be using the bomb to remove something.
Oh no, I don't know. I wanted to keep it real simple. Crap, what did I make that? Was it 32 by 32? What does it say? I think it was 32 by 32. Hope it was 32 by 32. Bricks. Not test game. I want Trijam 89.
I don't think I saw the winners for the last Trijam.
The winner was Potato Potato. It was pretty sweet. It was like a memory game. They did a good job on it. It wasn't the one I wanted to win, but the one I wanted to win ended up coming, I think, second. I mean, obviously I wanted Hot Tots to win, but, you know, my second choice. Yeah, check it out. It's pretty sweet. Okay.
Oh, I played this.
Yeah? What did you think?
That was pretty fun.
Yeah, it's good, eh? Alright. Make sure we embed this. And
I believe I got to around like 6 times 6
oh, sweet.
before I moved on.
Nice, dude. I didn't even, honestly, I was so confused, I didn't even get how to play it on the first couple plays, and then I saw them play testing it on the stream, and I was like, oh, that's actually really cool. So we got an object layer, and we've got a tile layer. The object layer is for the spawn points, or point, I guess. There's only really going to be one in this game. And bloop. There we go. Start making a maze. Very exciting. So I'm going to do it out from the center because the whole idea is you're getting out of you're pulling a bomb out of the maze from the middle. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like a radio DJ sometimes when I stream. I'm just like, here's what we're doing. Yeah.
Have you won a Trijam?
Have I ever won?
Yeah.
No.
How many have you done?
This will be my 4th. I've got another submission that's on itch.io, but the other one I never ended up putting on itch.io because it was like a really complicated like environment for the game. It was a stream game, so like it was designed to be played on a live stream. It was like an overlay game, so you basically, the whole idea was you had to sorry, I'm losing my words. You had to the streamer had to run through the level as the character and dodge all these axes, but all the people in the chat could type like axe commands, and it would drop axes on the person's location in the game. So basically, you were like dodging spam chat.
I see.
Yeah, it was
Sounds
kind
pretty
of
fun.
Yeah, it was pretty sweet. It was fun to make anyway. That's when I was streaming a bit more often, so we had a bit more viewers, and it was like yeah, more like active, and there was a bunch of people chatting, so it kind of worked because all these axes were like falling all over the place, and you had to dodge them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the idea.
I usually get like 1 viewer every time I stream.
Oh yeah, yeah. What do you stream? I can't remember if I asked you or not. Do you stream like dev stuff, or do you do games, or?
I do both.
Cool.
I was streaming games earlier.
Nice. What game?
Minecraft.
Nice. Classic.
I don't play a whole lot of games.
No?
Well, like I play a lot of games, but like not a huge variety.
Oh, I see. Gotcha. Yeah, the only game I've really been into playing in recent years is Guild Wars 2. Really like that game. Okay, so this ought to do for our first level. This is going to be the way out, so that's where you want to go. We'll start it here, so I'll throw the spawn point roughly in the middle of this spot. And we'll call this bomb. I did a little bit of practice before the stream, so I practiced some of the mechanics and stuff, and I think we'll be good to go. Okay, so export that.
I'm rocking this Trijam submission right now.
Sorry?
I'm rocking this Trijam submission right now.
You're oh, the nice, the hot potato.
No, it was for the bot commands theme. You're like an arrow going around to a certain location, but blocks keep spawning.
Oh, nuts. I don't know if
Yeah,
I
just
saw that one. Was that from last week?
No.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see. You know what? Do you think we should leave the walls like just skinny walls like that, or should I fill it in and like have it a bit more solid around the outside? Like, where's the fill tool? What am I looking for? Oh, wrong layer. Like have it like that. Probably
So
like that versus that. Probably filled in, hey?
probably filled in because I have a game where like you're supposed to drag your mouse around a maze. Like there's like keys and stuff to unlock doors and junk.
Right.
But since a bunch of the walls are hollow and it's mostly like mazes,
Okay.
if you flick your mouse fast enough, it'll actually go through.
Oh, cool.
So
Oh wait, not cool.
yeah, not cool.
Right, yeah, sorry, no, I get you. Yeah, like go through the wall, like that's kind of glitchy.
Yeah, and then it messes up a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we got one map. I want to try and get more levels in this game, so we'll do all that stuff in a bit. But first, let's get the loading in. So we'll go tiled JSON. Key is level 1. Asset slash level1.json. Then we need an image for the bricks. Oh, I'm lagging out a little. I was for a second there. Weird.
This is in JavaScript, right?
Yes. Asset slash bricks.png. I think it's bricks plural.
How
Bricks, yes.
easy would you say JavaScript is?
How easy would I say it is?
Yeah, how easy?
It's easy to do basic stuff, but once you start getting into more advanced things like ECMAScript 6 and all that, It starts to get a little bit more complicated, but it is quite learnable for sure.
So I've just been messing around with it in Construct, and I've got basic movement down. I'm
Awesome.
still trying to figure out some stuff like with pairing objects from the game into like the actual scripts themselves.
Okay.
Like you can't just like reference them out of nowhere. You gotta like pull them into the script and then use them.
Okay, I see.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah. Alright, 32. Okay, got that sprite sheet. This dot load the other sprite sheet for the kaboom. Kaboom. I meant to ask on the last stream, how's the sound, the music volume? Is it like overpoweringly loud, or is it like okay?
Well, I'm listening for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good? Sweet.
Maybe just a little bit down, but I can still hear you perfectly fine.
Okay, sweet. Change that next time. I can't mess with my stream because my whole like overlay thing is just a web page that I did with React. It's like a web app, and I've got all these like video elements in there, and like if I refresh the page, I'd have to like reset them all. So don't want to do that while I'm live. Alright, so we can ditch cat-like creature. We don't need that anymore. Yeesh. I think that's everything we need to load in. Let's just make sure it loads everything good. No errors. Sweet. Okay.
I recently recovered
You recently what, sir?
like over 16 different games from my files.
Oh, yeah?
Found like 15 different of my old games from my files.
Oh, wow. That's
And
intense.
I thought I lost them because my brain's not working.
It's all good.
I factory reset my computer, so I thought I lost them.
Right.
But my entire D drive didn't wipe,
Oh.
which is fine because it's like I did it for my disk, but
Uh-huh.
I forgot that all of my games were in there. So I was able just to retrieve them, and I can still work on them because they're backwards compatible from Construct 2 to Construct 3.
Right. That's cool. Oh, you're talking about the games you made.
Yeah.
Oh, dang, that would be such a bummer if you lost all your games. Holy. Okay, next we want to add a sprite. This dot. We are gonna need to use physics because I think you need to use that for the move to function I'm planning on using. So I'm gonna turn the gravity off because this isn't gonna be like a gravity-based game. Dot add sprite. We need to give it an XY, so 0, 0. Key for this guy will be bomb. Oh, right, I need to define the animations too. Forgot about that. I always have to reference how to do that because I always forget the code for that. So I'll just do that now. Do that now before I
be right
forget.
back.
Sorry?
I'll be right back.
Okay. Okay, so let's see here. What am I looking for? Rex Rainbow animation. That was hilarious. It came up with a Rex Rainbow animation stuff. Okay, generate frame numbers. That's names. I want numbers. Why is it always so confusing? I guess this is what I asked for when I started coding. What? Create from Sprite? Oh, what? Sprite has atlasing? That's sick. I didn't know that. Okay, so we'll just get this in place first. So create will go this dot anims dot create. So we want the key for this one to be bomb idle. frames we got to use a function for, so I'm going to do that in a sec. I'll leave it as an empty array for now. Empty array. Let's see, what else do we need? Start frame, doesn't really matter, I don't think. So repeat, we're going to need -1 for infinite repeat. We're going to need frame rate. Really not sure the frame rate? Huh, weird. Anyway, I know that's a thing, so frame rate. We want, probably like 6 frames per second for the wick burning animation. I'm just wondering if there's anything else we need for properties here. I don't think so. Show on start. Hide on complete, no. Yeah, cool. I just gotta figure out that function for getting the frame names. So generate frame numbers phaser. That's what we want. I don't want to do an Atlas one though. That's my problem. I'm just doing a regular easy peasy sprite sheet. Animation snippets. Maybe it's in here. I've never seen phasergames.com. Watch it crash the stream. Lol. No, you cannot show notifications. Get out of here. Oh, I can do it like that? That's kind of easy. Frame numbers. Okay, I'm just going to try and figure it out in VS Code. This.anims.generate frame numbers. So we need the key, so that's bomb. Types.generate frame numbers. Interesting.
I'm back.
Hello. Start.
I think my mic was echoing.
Oh, that's all good. I didn't hear nothing. Start
my
0.
echo knob up. Oops.
Oh, your echo? That's all good. 0 and 3. Do we need anything else? I don't know.
Recently I got a new mic yesterday. Yeah, yesterday.
Nice.
And it's so much better than my old one.
Oh, sweet. That's awesome.
Like, so my old one was the size of like smaller than my phone.
Okay. Oh, right.
It was like a really cheap, just one for use, I guess.
Yeah.
But now I have an actual like professional.
Oh, that must feel good. Legit mic. What
Connector
kind?
microphone. Like,
Yeah.
sorry, your mic cut out.
Oh, did it? Sorry. What kind of mic do you have? Like, what brand is it?
That's the thing. It has literally no branding.
Oh, weird. Okay.
It's like one of those off-brand but still good.
Yeah, there are. You do find those sometimes. There's stuff out there that's pretty good.
It's literally $30.
No way.
It's $30 when on Amazon you can get it for like $70.
Right.
Like the exact same thing.
Awesome. Okay.
It's a good deal.
Yeah, no doubt, man. Okay, it looks like our bomb is animating, so that's good. Oops. Okay, what else do we need? Need to zoom it, because we're using tiny pixel art, so cameras.main.set zoom. I'm going to do like 4 times just to start and see how that looks. That's a little much. I'm going to do a little smaller than that. Let's try 3 times. That's probably okay. Probably you can get away with 2 in all honesty. Nah, let's do 3.
You think you're ever going to win a Trijam?
I hope so. I've got a good feeling about this one. I think that if we can get this game out the door, it'll be pretty good.
You are 40 minutes in.
Excellent. Thank you. There we go.
I'm trying to think of what I would do.
Yeah. Up that frame rate a little bit. Try 10.
Maybe like you're a firefighter going to a burning building and trying to remove people that don't want to die.
That's an idea.
Did I ever tell you the idea I had for my potato game?
No.
Okay.
You made it though, didn't you? I thought you said you.
Yeah. Yeah, I made it, but I don't think I ever told you like what it is.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So hear me out. You're playing as a potato.
Yeah.
With a deep fryer on your back.
Okay.
In the deep fryer are more potatoes.
Okay.
You can put the deep fryer down and you can cook the potatoes, throw them like grenades, and they explode.
Good lord. That sounds awesome.
And I was gonna do the, I forget what it's called. It's a pest for potatoes. It is the Colorado potato beetle. But I didn't feel like I could make a good pixel art of that, so I just went with turrets, little turrets.
I see. Very good.
The story of the game was gonna be like, you're trying to get through like a government place that like took your family.
Okay. Wow. It's
But in
intense
the
already.
meantime, you're throwing your family and they're exploding.
Oh god. So intense. I love it. Okay, let's see here.
Some extra things I have is like a healing pad that if you're on it, your health goes up, and a lever. It doesn't do anything yet, but you can still interact with it.
Okay. Cool.
That's about it so far. I haven't really been working on it that much.
Fair enough.
But I made it so if you do end up knocking down one of the turrets, like hitting it with a grenade, it doesn't just like explode or anything. It gets destroyed and then falls to the ground off of its like base plate.
Oh, I see. Interesting.
Like it's on a base plate, and then once it gets hit by the explosion, it'll just like do a destroy animation, whatever, and then it'll just fall to the ground.
Nice.
And then I had a little fun with making a big cube of them, where they all fire at you at once.
Okay.
It's something.
Nice, man. Let's see. Tile set name. What did we call it? Bricks, I think. Oh. Crap. What's the name versus key? Key. Oh, its key is equal to tile set name. Okay, so we can just do this. Bricks.
I've made a bunch of just strange games that don't make any sense.
Yeah.
For example, I made a game off of an inside joke.
Okay, sweet. This is a good start. What is it?
So, okay, so the story of it is you can still get it, but it makes more sense if you were there.
Right.
So I made a game for a geography project, and and your goal is to go around like a what?
You cut out there for a second. I didn't really hear that.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
Okay, so it's for a geography and history project.
Okay.
It was the group project. My group was the Mayan civilization.
Okay.
And I made a thing where you have to go around a cave collecting gems, but to collect the gems, you need to answer a question about the Mayan civilization. And
sweet.
you need all the gems to get out the door to win.
Okay.
And when I first had them all planted in,
Uh-huh.
the only question was what did the Mayans not create or invent, and the correct answer was wall paint.
All right.
and so I was on the bus playtesting, and someone behind me was like, wall paint. And then it's still a joke until now. We just say wall paint. We call my friend's dog wall paint.
Nice.
That part's gonna only make sense if you were there, but
okay, sure.
so I decided to make a game about painting a wall out of that. And when you finish painting the wall, it just resets and that's it.
Nice.
There's literally no point to the game. It was just an inside joke.
Nice. That's funny. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out this object layer thing.
You're fine.
Sweet. Phaser 4? We're not on Phaser 4 yet. Was it literally called create from objects? I don't think that's what. Oh, this is version 2. No, get out. Class object layer. This looks promising. Tile maps.
I don't really make like full-fledged game. Oh, hit my mic.
It's all good.
I don't really make fun little games to mess around with.
Uh huh.
And I think I've only published like 2 games, like completely published.
Oh yeah. Were you happy with them?
Yeah, they were barely anything. Those were also jokes, but still, they're like published for anyone to play.
Nice. That's awesome.
One of them is called The Button.
Okay.
It's just a button. That's it.
The game's literally a button. That's awesome. Does
It's
it do
literally
anything?
just a button. Nope. It's just a button.
Nice.
And the other one's called Loading Simulator. You press play and it starts to load, and that's it.
Oh yeah. Interesting.
It just
Loading
doesn't stop
simulator.
loading.
That's funny.
I made those both on the same day, and I am proud of them.
Nice. Well done, sir. I used to make a bunch of Flash games back in the day, when that was a thing. That's how I got into game development.
What kind of Flash games did you make?
A bunch of them are still online, surprisingly. Mostly just arcade stuff. I made a couple like bigger like RPG kind of games, but I don't know if they ever actually got published publicly. What did we call our name? Was it Bomb? Yes, Bomb. Okay. Now, I want to move the code for adding the bomb. Guess I gotta
just
move
thought of
the
a-
camera stuff too.
I just
Sorry.
thought of another idea for the game jam.
Oh yeah.
So, it's a bit bizarre.
Sure. I've
Not like-
come to expect that at this point. Let's be real.
Yeah. So you play as Santa,
Okay.
putting gifts under a big Christmas tree in like the middle of a town,
Yeah.
and a big group of kids see you.
Mhm.
So your job is to remove the kids, no witnesses.
Sounds so sketch.
So in my head, I just envision Santa stuffing kids into a big bag.
Oh my god. That's funny. Okay, let's see here.
You
There we
think
go.
I'd be able to pull that off?
Probably. There we go, so we got it panning over to the bomb. Okay, let's see here. I guess the next step, I don't know if we're gonna need an update function, so I'll get rid of it for now. Let's see. I guess we're gonna want to put some input, yeah, some user input into it now. So this dot, guess I'll do that up here. It's all in a condition. It's like, it's not like we're not gonna have this bomb spawn point, but just in case I didn't make the map correctly or something, then we'll have it. Oh, we gotta set it as interactive first. Set interactive. Then we'll say this .bomb.on, pointer down. I'm gonna use pointers so that way this game is playable on mobile devices as well as computer. Pointer instead of mouse. And we'll say this dot.
You know the game Among Us?
Drag. I've heard of it. I've never played it, but I've heard of it.
So I've been wanting to try and recreate it,
Mm-hmm.
but it's a multiplayer game,
Oh, okay.
and I'm not good at multiplayer stuff.
Right.
And like I know how to do it, I just don't do it right.
Okay.
Like I followed a tutorial. It was a really easy tutorial, and I did everything correctly. It just didn't work.
Oh, bummer. I'm just noticing now, I think my webcam is lagging out a little bit. I'm just wondering if it's because we've got the call on the go. Do you mind if we drop out of the call and I just see if the... it's not so bad now. I don't know, whatever. Okay. Now we want this to be on the scene input, so we'll say that this is a reference to scene, so this dot input dot on mouse move. No, not mouse. We want pointer move. Just log it for now. Okay, let's see how this works. There we go. There's our pointer coming when we move it. Good. It's got a bunch of properties that we can use. And did I... Oh, I just put that. Let's see.
I might do the game jam tonight, but if I don't, it's definitely going to be like tomorrow, like I said last time.
Okay. Nice.
So I might have stuff I need to do tonight.
Yeah, no, for sure.
And also tomorrow's Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
But yet again, I have stuff to do tomorrow too.
Yeah, fair enough.
Not like a lot of stuff or anything, just stuff I choose to do.
Yep.
So, like I don't have to do it, but I'd like to.
I see.
HP.
Good. Alright. So now let's get this bomb moving, shall we?
It's only 5 p.m. for you.
Yeah. I'm in Pacific Standard Time, so Vancouver time. Let's see here. Do we want world X or do we want X? Probably world X, I imagine. So on pointer move, we'll say const world X world Y equals pointer. If it's dragging, and if this dot bomb is set, say bomb, then say this dot bomb dot move to. No. Is it move to? Is there body dot move to? Let's just move to. Oh no! Hang on. You got to do this dot physics dot move to. This is the magic function I was researching earlier. Yeah. This dot on X and Y. Perfect. World X. World Y. See if this works. Yeah, buddy. You know what though? I do think I want to drop out of the Discord call just because I can see the game lagging a bit, and I think it's just a little bit too much for my computer.
Alright, sounds good.
But for sure, if you're around, feel free to keep chatting in the chat, and I'll chat with you that way.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
See ya.
Okay, see ya. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. Yeah, sorry about that, man. Just want to, yeah, make sure the game performance is still good while we're making it. Okay, so now we want on pointer down, we're also going to set the camera to follow the bomb. So we'll say this dot cameras dot main dot start follow this dot bomb. And look at that, we can now navigate through our maze. Oh, I think you can specify a speed in that thing here, the move to. So let's do that. Speed, let's do like 400 and see if that's slow or fast. Whoa, that's hella fast. Okay, no. 50. That's slow, but it'll do for now. Maybe 100. Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty good. Oh, it's still lagging. That's weird. Bummer. Thought it was the call, but I don't know. Anywho, I wonder if it's because the map has so many tiles. That'd be a bummer too. Not sure. Mystery for another time, I suppose. Let's see. We'll go. So that's when you're dragging. Dragging in this dot bomb. Pointer up says dragging equals false. I think we gotta call reset on the this dot bomb dot. Is it body dot reset or just reset? We'll find out. No, reset. No, that's fine. Body dot reset. There we go. X and Y will be 0, 0. Let's see what this does. Oh, not 0, 0. We want. Oh yeah, we gotta set up an initial X and Y. So this dot init X equals start at a 0. Start at 0, start at 0. Then we want to reset to the init X and Y, the init position. Nice. I'm thinking it kind of jumps over right now. I think it would be cooler if it panned over like how it does when the game starts. So to do that, I have to do something like this. This dot cameras dot main dot stop follow, yeah. And this dot cameras dot main dot pan. X and Y, perfect. So we want this dot init X, this dot init Y. And because we're starting our follow in the pointer down function, it should be able to reset okay. Duration 1 second. See it. You know what? I just want to really quickly ditch the all the filled in and see if it's any faster, because that lagginess is bugging me. I don't know if it's just because I'm streaming and I've got a bunch of stuff open, but in any case, I don't like that. And let's see here. Nah, it's still doing it. Bummer. Well, it did it for a second. It's okay now. Cool. Okay. Let's see. So what next? We Been going for about an hour. We've got about 2 hours left. And my little assistant guy will still give us little notifications when we're hitting time limits and whatever. Let's see. You know what, hang on, there's one other thing I can try. This is still bugging me, so I want to try and just resize the map so that we're not, because we're not using any of this space, so map, autocrop? Hey, beautiful, look at that. Autocrop, I'm gonna remember that function, that's sweet. See if that's any faster. Seems a little better. Quit out of Discord too, just to see if that does anything. Alright, I'm gonna stop worrying about it for now. And I'm also gonna fill in the tiles again, because that didn't seem to make a whole heck of a lot of difference. Export tiles. Yes. Okay, so I guess the next thing we want to do is get the collisions working between the wall, because we've got it so when you release the bomb, it resets it. But I got to make it so that when you touch a wall, it also resets it. Oh. Let's see here. So for that, I think we're gonna have to abstract this into its own function. We'll call it game over. Just make sure it still works with this. Over, and I think you gotta specify, yes, a context, this. Okay, so this dot game over, this, let's see if it works. Sweet, still works, good. So now that we've got that in its own little function, we can also add it to another condition, which is gonna be the collision. Let's get rid of this, because we're not using that anymore. So this dot, what would it be? It would be physics. So we want to add a collider or an overlap. I forget which one it is. I think it's an overlap. Because colliders are like for making it so you can't go through walls, but overlaps are for making it. Yeah, this is the right one. This dot. Should we call it layer? Now we want to go collide callback. So that'll be this. Oh, shoot, how does it go again? I think that's going to be this dot game over still, because that's when you collide. But we're also going to want to specify, yes, also specify a process callback. So we'll say process overlap. Context will be this, and let's see here. Process overlap, and I think it passes in the same things you pass in at the start, so it'll be bomb and layer, but I think it passes in a tile that you're touching. So we'll just console log those to start, just to make sure that's what it actually is. Let's see. Oop, layer is not defined. Oh, yeah, doy. Tile. There. Okay, Sprite tile, yeah, perfect. Okay. Clear that, because otherwise my console's gonna go bananas. Perfect. So now, I believe tile has an index. I'm pretty sure if there is no index, it's -1, so we can just say return tile.index. I hope it's .index, we'll see. Greater than -1. So that should make it so that it only processes the overlap if we're actually touching a tile, not if we're touching empty space. Let's see. Might just work now. Hey, look at that, it works. Beauty. Also gonna turn physics debugging. Actually, I'll leave it on for now, but I'll gotta make sure to turn it off before I submit the game. Okay, so we got that. Let's get the explosion in there now. That makes sense for the next thing for me. So say this dot kaboom equals this dot add dot sprite 0 0 and 0 0 texture string will be kaboom. Frame can just be 0. Oop, didn't put equals. My B equals that. This dot kaboom dot set visible false. So it starts off invisible, we don't see it. And then, oh, we gotta make sure we set the depths too. So I want the kaboom to be on top of everything. So we'll say this dot kaboom set depth. We'll set it to like 5. And we'll set the bomb to like 4, I guess. Okay, so we're still not going to be able to see anything yet, but basically in the game over, do all this, reset all that, and then we'll say this dot kaboom dot set position. Oh, but I gotta do it actually before I reset the position. So we'll say this dot bomb dot, I think X. It might have to be world X. We'll try X and Y first, but it might have to be world. Okay. So set the position, set visible, set visible, true. Did I say false before? I better have, yes. Okay. This dot bomb dot, nope, not bomb, kaboom dot anims dot play. What did we call it? Kaboom boom. Nice. Okie dokie. See if this works. I'm just thinking we gotta reset the visibility after it's done playing. Maybe this dot kaboom dot anims dot on. There's animation. Oh man, my stream is lagging out pretty hard here. My computer's getting slow for some reason. Animation on events. Yes, here we go. Sprite dot on. Oh, so it's interesting. So it's on the sprite. So we'll say kaboom dot. Actually, we can do this up here. Animation complete. Don't really need to make it its own function, so we'll just do a little inline callback function. We'll say this dot kaboom dot gives you the current frame in the sprite. Current frame in the sprite. Okay. Just reference it this way, though it should work. Dot set visible false. Cool. That ought to do the trick. So it should set it to be invisible. I know we've done a lot of code without testing, and I don't like doing that, but I think we're good now. Let's see. See if it explodes the bomb. Oh dear. What was happening there? Ooh, okay, I didn't like that. It was like it was masked inside the bomb. That was super wacky. Yeah, what? Okay. Let's try world X and world Y first, just to see if that does anything. It did seem to show up on top of the bomb, which is where I wanted it to show up, but we'll just see if this does the same or does different. Okay, that didn't do it at all, so I think it is X and Y. But why on earth is it... First, okay, there's two problems here. One is it's like masking inside the square of... Oh, you know what? I think I know what that might be. Yes, because kaboom, I put the wrong width and height for the sprite sheet. Whew, that was a good save. Let's just see here. Okay, cool, there we go. But the weird thing is that it's jumping. Oh, yes, I bet you this game over function is getting called multiple times. So we can fix that real easy by just saying if this dot is dragging. So if it is dragging, then we do all this junk. And if it's not, do nothing. Oh, wow, that scared me. I thought we were going to be stuck on that for a while. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Boosh. Awesome. That's pretty sweet. So now if we go like this, it'll be like kaboom. Boom. Boom. Am I setting the scale and zooming? Is that what I'm doing? No, the bomb just looks way bigger than the I thought the explosion would be bigger. I guess I can make it bigger. This dot kaboom dot set a scale. Do like 2 times, I guess. Boosh! There we go. Now we're talking. Boosh. Awesome. Okay. Beauty. Okay. What else do we need? I'm just wondering what we should do next, because we're about an hour and 20 minutes in. I know I want to make more levels. Oh. I want to do sound effects. Let's do sound effects. Beauty, I'm logged in. Boom. That doesn't look like what I want. Explosion. Explosion. Pretty good. Explosion a bit. Ooh, yikes, no. want it to be like a really fast hit. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that was pretty cool. I like that one. We'll come back to that one. Medium explosion. I like this 8-bit one. Let's use that. Okay, any other sounds we're gonna need? Maybe something for when you win, but we'll come back to that. Ah, it's a wave, hurt. Let's see here. Oop. Let's open it with Audacity, just because I want it to be an MP3, and also, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Shh, ignore that. There we go. I also kind of want to cut a little off the front so it's a little more fast hitting. That's better. I like that. Okay, sweet. Export as MP3. Oh dear. What am I doing? There we go. Kaboom! What's that? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna close out of that for now. So I wanna... Because the laggy stream is still concerning me a bit. Try and get out of as much stuff as I can. Okay, so now we need to load it in our preloader. Stop load.audio. Okay, we need a key, so this will be boom. Yeah, whatever, boom. I don't think we've used boom yet. Assets slash what do they call it? Kaboom. Okay, so now it's loaded in. Make sure it's not erroring on us. It's not good. Now, what do we need to do? We need to play it. So, play it in our handy dandy game over scene. So this dot sound.play? Yeah, sound.play. Perfect. Boom. See if it works. Nice. Got it. Make sure it does it when we release too, not just when we touch a wall. Sweet. Good to go. Okay. Got sound. I'm gonna leave. No. I'm still worried about the stream lagging, but whatever. Don't need that documentation open. Don't really need that documentation open. I guess we can make a few more levels now. Oh, you know what I want to do? I think we got time. We got an hour and a half, so that's like pretty good time. I want to abstract this a little bit so that we're dealing with a so that we can make levels a bit easier, because that was something I wasn't super stoked on last time, is we made it so what am I saying? I don't know. Not important. Oh, I had to just basically copy and paste the level code over and over, and I didn't like that, so I want to make it so we can abstract it this time. So we'll call it level. Actually, let's call it maze. Maze map. Maze map. Extend scene. Constructor. So this is where we're gonna pass in stuff. I'm just thinking. Sorry. Let's see. Export default maze map. So we need a new folder for this because this isn't exactly a scene. We'll call this classes, I guess. Classes maze map. Cool. Okay, so we got classes maze map, and yeah, I can. Oh, okay, yes, I can super it. Then I can. So we'll say first we want the level, our scene name. Why don't we do this? And we can pass it in any order. So first thing we need is scene name. So we'll say super scene name. Now create, we're basically just gonna move all this stuff over to there. Move all of it basically. Okay, so game over process. I'm gonna have to swap out some of it though. So we want a map key. Start map key equals map key. And we'll replace that with this dot map key. Tile set will always be the same. Layer is always going to have the same name. Spawn layer is going to have the same name. Animation is the same. This is all the same. Yeah, alright, cool. Oh, we gotta add a win condition still too, damn. Good thing we didn't forget that. Okay, cool, so that's looking good to me. That might actually be all we need. I guess we could customize the background color too. So we'll say BG color. This dot BG color equals BG color. And then we'll just throw that in there. This dot BG color. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a new scene. We'll call this level 1. JS. So import. Now we're not going to import a scene anymore. We're going to import maze map from // classes/maze map. Okay, cool. Class maze map. Nope, sorry, my bad. Class level 1 extends maze map. Now, for the constructor, we're gonna call super, and this is where we're gonna pass in all our stuff. Yeah, look at that, beauty. So we want the scene name, which will be level 1, map key, which I think is also level 1. Oops. Level 1. And then BG color, I forget what we had before. I'll just do the same for now. And then export default level 1. Now we're Not really going to need game scene after that, but what we are going to need to do, actually delete that, and we'll say level 1. There you go, it auto imports it for us, beautiful. And we just need to make it so our boot scene takes us to the right scene, which is going to be level 1. Maybe we'll have time to put in a title screen. Nice, it works. Beauty. Oh, got it. All right, let's see here. So now it's going to be super easy for us to add levels into the code, because literally our entire level file is going to look like that. Probably even abstract it further, but I'm not going to get into that right now because that's too much work. We want to just keep it simple for the game jam. So let's boot up tiled and we'll say, why don't we actually, what am I going to do? I'm going to save this as level 2. Oops. .tmx. And now, just get a way to erase everything. There we go. And then, let's see, we'll start this one down at the bottom. How about, now we get to do some level design. Just wondering if there's some shortcut for adding which one is it? Oh, I just thought of one other thing I want to configure. I want to configure the speed of the bomb, because I want it to get faster and harder to control in the other levels. I'm not going to worry too much about keeping the walls straight. I was worried about that, but you know what? We ain't got time for that. Hey, you're back. How's it going? Good, man. How about you? We've got our whole system for the game basically done. We just need to make some levels now. Oops, you know what, that's not gonna work. Boom, 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 boom. There we go, that's the way out. Okay, level 2 is like significantly harder than level 1, but that's okay. Okay, save level 2, export. No, I don't want to export an image, I want to export the JSON. Level 2.json. Alright! Oh, excuse me, sorry, I know my cracking is so horrible, but oh, it feels so good. So satisfying. You know what, before we get super far into the level design though, I would like to make the win condition somehow. And I have an idea. I think what we're going to do is we're going to check the width and height of the map, or the outer edges of the map, and if you go past the outer edges of the map, you've won the level. Okay, so let's just add another level really quick so that we can. Oh right, yeah, I was just talking about that toy. So level 2. 2, level 2, same background color, that's fine. You know what, let's just change it for, why not? Okay, this is gonna be level 2. Add level 2. Go. I love that auto import feature. That is so skookum. Let's just do level 2. Have it start that automatically. Can't read objects of null. Okay. In what? Phaser, maze map 69. Oh, level 2 dot create. Maze map 69. Line 69. Definitely not line 69. Oh yeah, because it's transpiled. Doo-dee-dee. Oh, spawn layer dot objects. Get object there. Odd. Did we not name it the same thing? Oh, we named it the same thing. Oh dear. Oh dear, what's going on? Oh, maybe... Oh, it is embedded. Okay. This.map.get object layer spawn. Oh! Herp dilly derp. Might be. So we've got to do one more step for the adding levels, which is we got to actually preload them. Makes sense. There we go, look at that. Nice. Beauty. Love it. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we got extra levels. Now we got to get our win conditions figured out. And I have a thought on that. I think we're just going to make it so we check the edge, the left X, the left Y, the top, sorry, left X, right X, top Y, bottom Y, and if you go, yeah, if you go out of those bounds, then you win. Or it goes to the next level or whatever. Okay. Where are we going to process that? I guess we will need an update function then. Yeah, okay. So update, say console.log this.map. Would it be map or layer? I don't know, we'll find out. Oh, width in pixels. We have height in pixels? Height in pixels, nice. Okay, that ought to do. So we'll say const width in pixels, height in pixels. Wonder if we're gonna have to scale that. We might, but that's okay. We can deal with that if we have to.
1 hour 30 minutes remaining.
Oh, 1 hour 30 minutes remaining. Okay. Okay, so const xy equals this dot bomb. Is it bomb dot body or is it just bomb? Now, this is going to be a little tricky, but we'll figure it out. So if x is greater than width in pixels, or x is less than Wait. No, that's not quite right. X is greater than width and... Shit. It's going to be width in pixels divided by 2. X is less than... Because we're starting at 0, 0, which is in this sense... Oh, wait, no, we're not starting at 0, 0. Okay, sweet. So we can probably just do width in pixels. Or... X is less than 0. Or Y is greater than... pixels. Or Y is less than 0. We'll just do an alert for now, just to test it. You win the level. Okay. And I'm gonna switch it back to that other level because this one is huge and I don't want to do all my testing on here. Level 1. Okay. Let's get it. Oh, it's gotta go this way. I think it's gotta go this way. God, I can't even remember my own level design. No. Okay, it is this way. Maybe if we get some time at the end, we can clean up the levels. That'd be cool. Nice. Win the level. It works. Oh, it's gonna keep doing that forever though. Just reload it so it doesn't. There we go. All right. Sweet, sweet. Let's see. Now, what do we want to do when they win the level? Because I don't really want to just jump them to the next level, because that wouldn't be like the greatest, especially if they were like holding it down and they just auto grab the bomb on the next level, which I'm not sure if that would happen, but all the same. I want to kind of have like a timer or something. Or. Let's see. This dot win level. I think it just played the same song again. This dot has 1 equals false. Let's say win level if hasn't 1. Let's say this dot has 1 equals true. And I think what we're gonna do is tween the camera so it zooms out of the level. And then fade it maybe? I don't know. We'll zoom it out first. We'll get that working, and then we'll see what we want to do. Because we got an hour and a half left, so that's pretty good. Minus like 5 minutes because I started my timer late, but all the same. So this dot has 1 equals true. And I want to make it so that the bomb doesn't explode when you let it go if it's true. So that would be in our game over. If this dot is dragging and this dot has 1. So if has 1 is true, then it won't do anything when you let it go at the end, hopefully. Just make sure it still works. Like that. Okay, good. Now let's get it out of the maze and see what happens. Okay, so it... Probably gotta do something in the point in the move too. Oh yeah, if this start dragging and bomb, and this dot has 1. So I kind of want it to just like, not sure actually, we'll see. Works good. Crash. Okay. Nice. Okay, so you let it go and it just flies away. Cool, cool. So now oh, maybe. Oh, I just thought of. I know what we're gonna do. Sif. No, actually, you know what? We're just gonna have it so it goes like this. Let's see. So we'll say this dot tweens dot add targets. This dot camera. You know what? I'm gonna just look up real quick how to animate the zoom out and phaser because I'm not sure I know how to do that. Oh, zoom to. What is that? Pointer down. Interesting. Zoom to. Cool. Okay. Try that. This dot cameras dot main dot zoom to 0. No, not 0. Actually, yeah, 0. We'll say 3,000, so 3 seconds. Let's try it. Nice. Yeah, I like that. And then we can just have a timeout. Or maybe it has an on complete function. Let's just look up the zoom to. Callback, nice. Oh, invoke every frame. That's not really what I want. Okay, whatever. It's fine. We can just do it with a timeout. This, we'll just say set timeout. We'll go boop. This dot scene dot start, and we're gonna have to pass in another thing, which is gonna be next. This dot next. Next level. Next level. I like next level better. I'm so pedantic about my variable names, it drives me nuts, but like, also not. You know what I mean? And we'll do it after, we'll give it like 1 extra second. Okay, so now we gotta do next level. Start next level equals next level. Boom. Good. Now we gotta do next level, level 2. And next level we don't have yet, so I'll just set it, loop it back to 1. Just for now. Let's see. That's just so satisfying. I like doing it. I like losing at my own game because it's really satisfying. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I just let it go right at the end. That was hurt. You still there, Happy Happy Potato? Let it go. Nice, it works. Yeah, boy. Okay, I want to have it zoom in on the level when it starts now too. So maybe instead of that pan over, yeah, instead of that pan, where are we doing that? Is that here? Pan, point X, point Y, yeah. So instead of that, we'll just say this dot camera, this dot main dot set session. Save this dot. Oh, we already set the zoom up there, so we'll say set that to 0. And we'll say this dot camera, this dot main dot zoom to 3. Duration will be 3 seconds again. And then I guess that's it. Ooh, yikes. That's not what I wanted. I think its set position isn't working. Set pan. No, pan is how to animate it. Shit. How do you, Let's just try panning it and zooming it, see if that looks cool. That was pretty sweet. And it zooms out. I feel like the pan kind of makes it jump around a little though. Yeah, you know what? I do want to set the position. Set position. Zoom, shutdown, toggle, X, flip, X. Oh, I know what we can do. This might not be the official way to do it, but we can just set it duration to 0. And it should just, yeah, perfect. Awesome. That worked for me. Okay, so we've got our win condition, we've got 2 levels, we've got a game over condition, we've got a level advancing system. Okay, what do we do next, I wonder? See if I can beat this one. I really legit don't even remember the way out, but we'll figure it out. Oh, the speed. That's the last thing that's the last little piece of the puzzle I want to get. in this system before we setting the speed of the level. Okay, we'll go bomb speed. What do we set it to by default? 100. So 100 for the first level. We'll do like 150 for the second. Oops. And you know what? I am actually just going to keep the background color the same on all the maps. I'm going to ditch that. Because then it doesn't work super well with the zoom out, zoom in effect. It kind of, because it cuts to a different color. We'd have to fade it or something, and I just don't want to do that right now. We just don't have time. Bomb speed. This dot bomb speed equals bomb speed. Now just swap out this 100 with this dot bomb speed. Oh, that's cool too. You can start it moving it before it zooms in completely. I like that. So just get out through this level and we'll check the speed of that second level, and then let's see how fast it is now. Oh, it seems slower. Did I mess up the order of that? Oh no, I just didn't put it. Crap, didn't save it. Okay, you know what? We're gonna skip to level 2 because we'll have to beat level 1 every time we test it. There we go. Now we're cooking with fire. Woo! That's harder. This is already way harder. Might even do 125. 150 is pretty fast. Hope those explosion sound effects aren't like super loud on the stream for you guys. Pretty loud for me, so it might be loud for you guys. Sorry if it is. Okay. 6 o'clock, so I've got like estimate 1 hour remaining. I'm gonna go like 110. This is only level 2, so it shouldn't be like ridiculously hard. Nice. Dece. Okay. Oh, we were gonna add a sound for when you get a win too. Yes, let's do that. Free sound. Ding.
Get down to the B side.
That works. Let's do it. It's a wave again, so I'm gonna edit it in Audacity. Hopefully it opens on the right screen this time. It's dead. Does not need to be that long. And don't really want it to have a delay, so maybe needed that. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go. File, export as not wave. File, export as MP3. This ding. Oh. Don't save the Audacity file. Okay, Bootsy. We're gonna add another audio. This one's gonna be ding. Ding. Paste map on win. This dot sound dot play. dig. What other things can use that in? Whatever. Okay, back to level 1, so we've got an easy one to clear. Second time I've done that, that's hurt. Nice. That works for me. Cool. Alright, done. Okay, so now it would be cool to get a title screen going. Let's see, title screen or more levels? Thinking more levels first. Get like at least a couple more. Yeah, let's do a couple more levels first, and then level 3.tmx. I don't want to go too ham on the level development either, because I do want to leave a little bit of room at the end of the game, just in case we have to touch up some of the levels. I would like to leave a little bit of space for that. Nice. There we go. That'll do. Just move our spawn point. Okay, that's level 3. Oh geez, what did I do there? Break level 2 just then. If I did no big, we've got it still. Yeah, I didn't break it. Cool. Alright. Nice map. Now we can change that to level 3. So we're gonna make level 3 right now.